someone is left liberal or right winger, your job is to protect everyone's
No,
views.
no. How can I protect them? The left liberal protect us. Wherefrom we have the right to protect them. we, they protect us. We cannot protect them. They are freelancer.
Now let's go to that border conflict. Union Home Minister Amit Shah, he holds a meeting in Shillong with all the chief ministers of Northeast. And the very next day, we see a border clash at Assam and Mizoram border where 6 Assam policemen, they died. And very interesting that Assam government, Union government, and Mizoram government, all three governments are run by NDA allies, BJP and MNF. And then there is a organization called NEDA. You are the convener, and Mizoram CM Zoramthanga is also a participant in that organization. And what we see is that after that, there is no communication between the chief ministers. They go on a Twitter spat. And you are seen as the great BJP unifier of Northeast. What happened?
Kaushik,
How could that happen?
Kaushik, during the day of incident also, I had a telephonic conversation with Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Zoramthanga, in 17 times, and we keep on talking. You must give credit to Assam that even after we lost 6 brave Assam police personnel, we did not retaliate on anything. We ensure peace, we ensure stability, and even at the cost of everything, we decided that the spirit of Northeast is more important. Unfortunately, in Delhi also, some of the people who wrote many articles during that conflict did not give credit to Assam that in spite Assam police lost 6 brave Juan, our own SP has got injured on bullet. We did not retaliate on anything. We restrain ourselves. We ensure peace. We ensure that immediately some kind of peace accord is signed. And today we have ensured that there is no flare-up of the incident. And we have gone to Twitter because we have to address the broader media, broader public audience. But we had been on telephone. We talk in telephone, and we continue to talk. We will be continuing to talk in telephone. So there was no breakdown of communication.
Assam police seems to have gone wrong under you. We hear encounter shootouts every day. And there has been a trend now that anybody who gets arrested, one day later, he or she tries to flee from police custody and that person is shot in the leg.
I think criminal...
And we have seen the Mizoram incident. We have seen that Dholpur incident. We see them getting arrested for drug trafficking.
Kaushik, you are from Assam. Do not put things on wrongly on record. Assam police got killed on the Mizoram incident. We have not killed anyone. So that is one, we must make a distinction. On case of criminal, there is no code of conduct on the part of criminal. Like political party has a code of conduct. So now if criminal flee, they want to attack police, that police has to retaliate within the code of criminal procedure. They have the right to retaliate. So unless somebody goes and give a lesson to the criminal that these are the procedure you need to maintain, otherwise police will take action. This thing will continue, continuously those things will happen because I do not have control over criminals. The base message from this platform we can give, stop raping any minors, stop transporting or do not bring drugs from the other part of the country to Assam. Do not try to do anything wrong within the jurisdiction of Assam. If you try to do wrongs, police will come down heavily on you within the parameter of law. I mean, we must tell criminal not to do things criminally. You should not attack police for taking action against criminal. Police has right to ensure, police has to ensure a proper life security for the citizen. Police has not done anything for money, for their personal gain.